Hello guys, my name is Cadu Anastasio. I'm the Principal Data Consultant from DNX.Solutions. I'm here to demonstrate our data analytics solution. BubbleTea is a company that's struggling to get their data together and create insights to bring value to the business. They have an on-premises human resource system, one sales system running on AWS Cloud, a rental system also running on AWS Cloud, and they also use information about exchange rates from a cloud service. Some of the BubbleTea employees spend so many time putting manually data together to compile and create reports and dashboards. And they frequently have some issues like slow time decisions and numbers that are not matching between one department and the other. Because of that, BubbleTea seek help with DNX.Solutions. After understanding their requirements, we proposed this high-level architecture. The idea is to grab data from the two systems hosted on AWS Cloud, but also grab data from the on-premise human resource system, some spreadsheets with mappings, and also grab data from online services that provides exchange rates. The ETL and catalog module will basically grab all this data from the sources, do all necessary transformations, and store into the data lake. And some of this information will be moved to the data warehouse. And the analytics module will basically grab data from the data lake and the data warehouse to present the visuals. To speed up the project and bring more value to the customer, we decided to use DNX Data One, our framework that has different modules. In this case, we will use all of them in the solution. So the staging module is responsible to grab data from the sources and securely move this data, storing it in a S3 staging bucket. From this point, the transformer module will run and do all necessary transformations to meet the business requirements and store this data into the data lake. After this, storing some of this data into the data warehouse. The analytics module will be responsible to grab data from the data lake and the data warehouse and show all the results the customer wants. In parallel, the controller module will be responsible to monitor the entire process, show some notifications in case of any issue or risks being occurred, and show some information about the process itself. For example, how many lines are being moved in the current day, if we are facing some issue or some potential risk is coming out. As a delivery result of this project, we can see in the data catalog all the tables that came from the different sources, both from the data lake and the data warehouse. And from this point, we can query the data using Athena. And for example, we are here showing all orders that are stored in the data lake. We can also see the files that are being moved to the data lake. And another important result is basically the dashboards we built for the customer. The first one is the sales map that shows a map of the United States, that's the main country. And these bubbles are basically the regions the sales were done. And the size of the bubble is proportional of the sales amount. We can hover the mouse and see the information inside each of these bubbles. Another dashboard is the rentals map. That's basically showing the same map and the bubbles, but specifically about the rentals business unit. One more visual we built is a sales progress chart that shows us the progress of the sales through the time. And we can see a very special moment here on April 17th when the sales got a peak of $31,000. One more chart is the sales by product, showing a pie chart of the main sold products. Another chart is the tree map of the main countries. Here we can clearly see that United States is the first country, Germany is the second one, and so on. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching us, and bye bye.